My name's Brad and my lovely wife Danielle. We have 3 gorgeous children, Amelia, Max and Louie, and we purchased this home back in 2009, 13 years ago.
We both have an appreciation for architecture and design, and we were really excited to transform our mid-century home into what it's become today. What was important for us when we were embarking on this renovation was to stay true to the mid-century style of our very loved home. The house needed to increase in size to accommodate our family as the children get older. In the original home, the kitchen was isolated at the back of the house, and so bringing the kitchen to the heart of the house was a really important feature for us. The kids, they're really active, so putting in the pool was a very important part. From the first time we met Hayden at MR Designs, it was obvious that he could share our vision for a transformation into a contemporary home, honouring its mid-century roots. Hayden was key in introducing us to Mitch and Watara Homes, and that's proved to be a great partnership.
We had confidence in Mitch and his team from the beginning. Mitch had great systems in place, which very much attracted us so that we could follow the build all the way through. Not only in a budget system, but also just as the process of the build went.
Yeah, I think the partnership that we had with Mitch and Watara was, is a tribute to the end result, because we were really involved throughout the whole design and construction phase, but Mitch and the team led the construction side to get us a product that we're really proud of. Living here feels like a real privilege. I think every morning we wake up, we're really grateful for the end result. It's actually a dream come true for us.